Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 25th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody had a great Saturday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to start off with Hurricane Melissa, which is located down in the Central Caribbean Sea, just south of Haiti and southeast of Jamaica. You can see it's starting to get a little better organized there, and it will continue to rapidly intensify into that Category 5 storm, as I've been predicting for a while now on YouTube videos here. So thank you for tuning in to my forecast channel. But we're gonna get to some more information here just shortly. But let's take a look at the remainder of the tropic. You can see some activity over the north central tropical Atlantic, but that's a cold frontal boundary. Got some activity in the central MDR region and eastern tropical Atlantic, just regular tropical showers and storms out there, but no development. Scattered activity over South America, Central America. There's another tropical storm over here in the Eastern Pacific. Got a little upper level swirl over here, which is going to bring a northeaster to the mid-Atlantic, southeast, and the northeastern U.S. Going to bring a lot of gusty winds, heavy rainfall, and also some beach erosion once again to South Carolina, North Carolina, and all the way up toward the mid-Atlantic region and the northeastern U.S., and also the east coast of Florida and the Georgia coast also. So this system here is currently over here bringing some severe weather to Texas. Will continue to eventually swing on off to the east, kind of get wound up over here off the southeast coast, and then make a lift off to the north and east. Alright, we got some scattered activity. We're bringing some mixed precipitation, snow, showers, thunderstorms, areas of Montana down toward Wyoming to Utah to Nevada to California, Oregon, and Washington State, and Montana regions as well. Alrighty, now let's move on to the National Hurricane Center. Tropical forecast cone you can see from the National Hurricane Center. You can see here in yellow tropical storm force winds, tropical storm warnings, and hurricane watches for the southwestern and western areas of Haiti. Here is Jamaica in the hurricane warning area. That's in the red. They have issued hurricane warnings now for the eastern areas of Cuba. So expect some hurricane conditions in your area. Would not be surprised to see the hurricane condition watches and warning products maybe even issued for the central and southern Bahamas as that system continues to move on off in that direction. Bermuda, you're going to be impacted as well, so you're probably under a hurricane warning or tropical storm warning as well. You can see it remains a major hurricane all the way through 2 p.m. Tuesday, so it starts sometime later tonight, goes through 2 p.m. Tuesday, remains a hurricane for Wednesday and into Thursday. Alright, if you're tracking the system at home, it's located near latitude 16.6 north, longitude 75.5 west, maximum sustained winds are near 90 miles an hour with higher gusts and moving to the west at 3 miles per hour. Right now it's classified as a hurricane with winds of 74 to 110 miles per hour. Alright, now here's the Spaghetti-O models. You can see currently right over just southeast of Jamaica. It's going to make a beeline right over Jamaica, all the way into central east of Cuba, all the way on off on toward Bermuda. Bermuda is somewhere right up in here, but I think some of the models have covered it up. But you're going to be impacted by that system as well as it continues to lift off in that direction. Alright, now here's the intensity guidance. You can see we have 75 knot winds equal to 90 miles an hour. Takes it into a low end grade Category 5 storm. Also Category 4 storm. You can see it into a 3, 2, and 1, and eventually a sharp decline later on down the road from about 84 to 168 hours out. Alrighty, so there's your tropical update for this here, and we're gonna move on to the local forecast, and we're gonna take a look at it real quick, and we're gonna show you. We got some mixed precipitation up here in Maine, portion of northern New Hampshire, Vermont. Also got some shower activity for eastern Pennsylvania, Maine, down to Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, to Delaware, to Virginia, North Carolina, to Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, over into Minnesota, North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Also into Missouri to Kentucky. thunderstorms and showers from Arkansas to Oklahoma to East Texas to the northern Gulf, Louisiana to the Florida Keys, northwest Bahamas, Atlantic coastal waters, including South to North Carolina as well, Georgia and Alabama. Got some heavy rain and flash flooding over portions of southern Mississippi and southern Alabama and the western Florida Panhandle. I got scattered showers up here in portions of northern New York State, also western New York State, northwest Pennsylvania, northern Ohio, and eastern Michigan. Then we got thunderstorms and showers from portions of California to Washington, Oregon State. And we got some heavy snow also in portions of Washington, Oregon State also, with mixed precipitation there stretching into California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, and also in the portion of Montana and Idaho regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, now we're going to take a look at your Monday forecast. Should be coming up here in just a minute. Okay, we got shower activity from eastern Maine to Rhode Island again, to Virginia, to North Carolina, to Mississippi, to Oklahoma, to Kansas, to North and South Dakota, portion of Montana, through Minnesota, to Illinois, to Kentucky area and Virginia. Also over here in Washington, Oregon State, mixed precipitation there as well, stretching into Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and northern Colorado. Thunderstorms and showers over here from Alabama to portion of southern Tennessee, southern North Carolina, Atlantic coastal water, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Alabama, and the Florida Keys and northwest Bahamas and the eastern Gulf as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it's going to look something like this. We got frost and freeze products up here in portion of Connecticut to southern New York State, to Pennsylvania, to Rhode Island, DC, New Jersey, also in the portion of western Pennsylvania and Ohio, and portions of northern areas of Virginia. Also got flood watches in effect for you guys in Mississippi, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and also Texas. Got some flood advisories there as well. Coastal flood warnings in effect along coastal areas of Louisiana. Dense fog advisories in areas of Kansas and Nebraska. Wind advisories up here in portion of western Minnesota, North and South Dakota, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, also Nevada and southwestern areas of Idaho. We got some high wind warnings in areas also in one county in Oregon, also one county there in Montana. We have some winter storm warnings in areas of Wyoming, and also winter weather advisories there also, stretching over into Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State as well. Got some special weather statements also for Idaho. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from the Outer Banks of North Carolina around the Wilmington area to the Florida Keys, stretching over to areas of southeast Texas around the Brownsville area. You got some special marine warnings off the coast. Same for Southern California to Washington State. Got some storm warnings off the coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State. Small craft advisories around the Hawaiian Chain Island. Some red flag warnings to the north. Even got a little area of winter weather advisories in the southern chain island of Hawaii. Southwestern areas of Alaska also included with small craft advisories. Alright, somehow I forgot to put Storm Prediction Center outlook on here, but we're going to go straight to it. And you're going to take a look. We're going to take a look at day number 2, which is your Sunday for severe weather. You can see this with the outlook for today. Got severe weather Gulf Coast, and also the areas in the Washington and Oregon states areas as well. Okay, let's go into current day number 2. I'm going to show you that. Alright, marginal risk around New Orleans up to Mobile, Alabama, to Panhandle, Florida. You can see general thunderstorm from Seattle to northwest California, Elko to Rapid City, Fort Myers, Miami, to Columbus, Georgia, also to Shreveport, Louisiana, Brownsville, Texas, up to Springfield, Missouri. Alright, tornado probability is going to look like this. 2% along the Gulf Coast, damaging winds, same areas on the Gulf Coast, and also large hail, less than 5% all areas. Now, if anybody's interested in the snowfall total, we're going to start showing the snowfall map here off and on through the winter months, so that way you get a chance to see where the snowfall will occur. Heavy snow over southeast Canada, South Canada, and southwestern Canada, up to 6 to 10 inches in that area. Also, one area showing 40 inches of snow, but that's overdone by the GFS. Got some heavy snow in areas of Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada, over toward Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, and Colorado. Then even got some snow in the western portions of western North Carolina, all the way up into Pennsylvania, all the way up into portions of Maine. Got 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3 inches from areas of eastern Kentucky all the way into North and South Dakota, Minnesota, and also around the Great Lakes regions as well. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.